How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to show you guys a forearm workout at home for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you are interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I'm going to show you guys the exercises right now. If you guys do notice, I do get quite a few compliments about my forearm development, you guys. The reason for this, I do know how to train my forearms. You guys watch this video, it's going to be very informative, and you guys can see the forearm development. It's just from good training, you guys, doing it consistently. You will get results if you do train with these tips I'm about to show you. So the first exercise is hands down the best exercise for your forearms, and I have used this exercise over and over again to get me the best results, and I've used it for many of years, you guys. I would say 6 years plus I've used this exercise. So this exercise is the dumbbell forearm curl. Now to do this exercise, you're just going to get a dumbbell. You're going to keep the dumbbell to the side, and all we're going to do with our wrist, is all we're going to do is we're going to curl upwards like so. Now when I do this curl upwards with my wrist, all I'm doing with my wrist is I'm just simply turning it like this. That's all I'm doing. Now watch when I do that with my wrist. Watch what happens with the forearm. You can see the muscle already being flexed. Watch what happens. You see that muscle being developed? That's how you train your forearms, you guys. So again, keep the dumbbell to your side and simply curl upwards. Now I can do 100, 120 pounds with 120-pound dumbbells using doing this exercise for good repetitions, solid repetitions. Other arms, same thing, just simply curl upwards. And you can see your forearms, you can see the flexors of your forearms being developed. You can see that muscle. This exercise, I really never see people recommending this exercise. Hands down, the best exercise to do for your forearms if you want to get jacked forearms. The next exercise trains the brachyradialis and the brachialis, you guys, and it works. So the brachialis is the ball on the side of your arm. Your brachyradialis is just this muscle right here, you guys. So if you want to get this muscle, the brachyradialis, really jacked, if you want to get that little ball on the side, the brachialis, if you want to get those muscles, dumbbell hammer curls, you guys. Hammer curls works your forearms. You're going to get big, meaty forearms. Your forearms are going to be jacked from doing dumbbell hammer curls. To do the dumbbell hammer curl, you're going to get a neutral grip, and then all we're going to do is a curling motion like so. That's all we're going to do. You can see the forearm muscles being worked when we're doing this. Dumbbell hammer curls, as simple as this. Now people are going to ask me about reps, sets. What do I recommend? I recommend doing 2 weeks of 20 reps, 2 weeks of 15 reps, 2 weeks of 10 reps, then deload for 2 weeks. Keep doing this and your forearms will be huge. Trust me on this, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.